In this section, we will check the pricing for CodeBuild. But again, this is the as on date pricing on Amazon website for CodeBuild. When you are using CodeBuild or you are watching this tutorial, please check CodeBuild pricing again. So it may change or may not, but it is always recommended to check the pricing, the latest pricing. And as you see on Amazon website, that the charges vary by the compute instance type that you choose for your build job. So as per the region, you check your compute instance type, and based on the type, memory, virtual CPU, it has the pricing listed over here. For free tier account, CodeBuild includes 100 build minutes of build general one small type of instance per month. So yes, if you are using free tier account and you are using CodeBuild, then it will give you 100 build minutes, but that should be of your compute instance type, which is general one small per month. And one good thing for CodeBuild pricing is that CodeBuild free tier does not expire automatically at the end of your 12 months term. It is very helpful for the developers who practice with AWS and do POCs. It also says that you can incur additional charges if you are using CloudWatch Log, Amazon Key Management Service for encryption, or you are using CodeBuild with code pipeline. So those are extra chargeable. You can see in this explanation of pricing example that how it is calculated for the monthly build charges. So the total build minutes is actually 100 build into 5 minutes, which is equal to 500 build minutes. Now under free tier account, 100 build minutes are free. So your build minutes minus free tier build minutes, which is equal to monthly billable build minutes, which is 500 minus 100, 400 build minutes you will be charged for. And considering that you are using the general one small instance, which is the general one small instance, and it is Linux price per build minute is $0.005. So your 400 build minutes into $0.005, which is $2. This is how the pricing is calculated for CodeBuild. Now let's move to the next section.